Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm here to extend my chicken fencing. I'm going to extend it from here to that fence over there. There you go. I went and got this special tool, special one. I couldn't find my one. And I didn't want to stop my work. I went and got this one so it's a star picket drive. That's what you call it. And then you put the star picket and then you whack it. So I will show you how to whack a star picket. That's my whole 2 hours this morning. Just sticking those fences, those panels. It was stuck at the back there where we used to have the pig farm. Now I have to go and I went to get this one, then I found those ones stuck underneath on the grass. So 2 hours. This is how I am going to whack it. Show you how I tie mine up. You go through these holes here of the star picket, go around, around, and I use a bit of stick to tie it up because I couldn't find my screwdriver or anything strong, but I'm using a bit of stick from this tree over here. From this tree over here, I just cut a little piece of wood from it and I use it. There we go. Oopsie. Nearly there. Two more bars. Star picket and then finish on this side. Then I can continue on this side to the corner there. Then all the way there. It's only because I want to make the chicken safe from all the foxes and our neighbor's dogs, or anyone's animal that could get here and kill my chicken. I'm doing the last post for this side of fencing. There you go. I'm doing the last panel. Just cutting a few wires to tie the panel to the post, and I will be done. Wait, cut it. One more, just do 3. There you go. Now I found a screw. Hook it up there and twist it. Twist, and it tied it up. Next. Wait. Hey! One more. I'm still not wearing gloves, but it's not my thing. I know it's for safety, but I think I'm used to working with no gloves. Last wire. There we go. There you go. Aussie. I think it's crooked, but who cares? At least I can let my chicken out now. But yeah, I think Chucky will be happy. One more over there, but at least I can get them out now. But there you go. Finish those two. Now I'm going to remove these ones over here, and I'm going to put it around that way, and then I can let the chicken out to have more room to wander around and do some scratching. I have to move this away. Hey! You want to hold it, Grandma, for me, please? Yeah. There you go. So I can nail this. Oh. There we go. Push it, yeah. Too long, but better than short. Yeah, twist, twist. I just give a green tick for Grandma. She passed. So now she's doing it. She can do it. You just pull up, Grandma, to make it shorter. There you go. And then you twist. That's it.
You're learning.
Easier. Oh yeah, she passed. I'll give you your ticket later on, Grandma. I just show. It's finished now. Ready. We just move those coops over there. And then there you go, fencing's done.